welcome back. If you're new, hello. I was wanting to give you guys a little update on my garden. There has been some good, some bad, some ugly, and I just wanted you guys to see kind of what's going on and things I've changed. As you can see, my trellis of tomatoes is looking pretty puny. Unfortunately, we had a big storm like yesterday or the day before, and it broke off a bunch of my tomato branches. So it's looking really puny right now, but I have gotten well over like 50 little tomatoes from this trellis, which is awesome because they're like growing everywhere. But yeah, there's so many of them and they've been doing good. I have noticed the production has been slowing down, so I am going to have to take these out. And my goal for this is to put some pole beans on here, especially because we're going into fall. Since my area is the 8B area, because I'm in Texas, the pole beans are going to be perfect. They'll have time to grow. I do have some germinating in here, as well as some lettuce and leafy greens in here for the fall. So I am prepping for fall, slowly but surely. So that's the plan for right here. My sunflowers have been nonstop. I have some on both sides over there and over here, and they have been nonstop. I keep cutting them and making little bouquets out of them, which is adorable. The only thing I kind of don't like, that I probably won't grow sunflowers again, is with these type, as soon as you cut them, they don't grow back. So I don't think I want that. I want something that's going to be more so it'll get bigger and better, like zinnias. So I have tons of zinnias right now, but they have not bloomed yet. But if you can see in the zinnias, they have a little bulb in there and they're about to bloom. So I'm really excited about that. And I've been cutting them to get more zinnias. For instance, like this one. This is one zinnia, but I have cut it a couple times and it's been branching off and branching off. So I'm excited because I'm going to get a bunch of those. I did have, if you remember, some cucumber plants that were really tall and luscious. They got to like right here, and they ended up not doing so great. They kind of look like this one over here that I have yet to pull. They just looked bad. And if you can see here, the way these grow, they do like a little bunch right here and then they grow, but they didn't do well. Those weren't the cucumbers I used last year, so I need to find those other ones I used. I did plant a couple more seedlings to try to see if I could still make it, because we have until about October before the sun is gone. So I'm hoping they'll grow a little bit. In this bed, it looks empty, but there's a lot going on underneath. We have tons of sweet potatoes in here. I planted them pretty close together, honestly, because I like the little ones that are about this big. So I'm hoping I'll get tons of those. And I have some normal potatoes down here. I've never grown any kind of potatoes before, so I'm excited about it. I did pull one of them just to see if anything was growing. And I did have a tiny little sweet potato that was like this big. It was so exciting. So hopefully we'll keep thriving here. And then obviously, this is my tomatillo plant. It's doing okay. It is yet to give me anything, but I think it's because it was lacking maturity. So hopefully we get something there soon. I don't know if you recall either with these. I had lettuce in them. Now I have flowers in them. So I kind of just been on a flower crazy rampage. Some zinnias and stuff like that. So I don't know. There's flowers everywhere in my garden. These are a bunch of the other zinnias too. Like, look at the bulb on that. It's crazy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to like pick them. Please excuse me. I'm sick still, so if I sound crazy, I'm sorry. These are all the sunflowers. These have been blooming and I've been cutting, and it's kind of disappointing. I guess sunflowers are just not my jam. Some people love them. I tried it, and I don't like that they just kind of don't do nothing after a while. So, we'll not be planting sunflowers next year. Here we have my carrots. So last year I tried growing carrots and it didn't make it. I did not do a good job and it was just a disaster. This year it feels good. I feel some sturdiness. I feel like we have something going on. I'm really excited about it. I really do feel like these are going to be good. You can even tell the bottom, like, it's looking sturdy. I've never, the carrots I tried to grow last year were like this big, and that was with the leaves. It was a disaster. Have some more starts going on over here. Now, other exciting things. So I'm just growing some cat grass for my friend. If you've never grown cat grass, this stuff grows really fast. Jesus, like, it's between a week it'll be this big, and I've cut it down. So I got a green stalk. I don't know if I let you guys know this or not, but I got a green stalk. I'm so excited. My husband bought it for me as a birthday present, early birthday present, and I have a couple things growing in it. I cannot wait. So far, I'm loving it. This plant was over there with the tomatoes, and I don't know what it is, but when I put it in here, it immediately started growing so fast. So I'm hoping maybe it's just the watering system that's good about this thing, but that thing is growing huge compared to the other little one that's over there. So I'm hoping I see good things in the future, and my plan for this is to have tons of herbs on it and then maybe plant a row of garlic at the bottom because I've never planted garlic before. I would love to try it out. But that's pretty much it. Nothing really has gone on in the garden very crazy. Just, I have limited space, but I will say I do what I can with the space I have because you can make anything work. These beds from Amazon have been life-changing. There's a lot of room for gardening, and it's really great for people that can't really bend over. And then that trellis we made with the bench is perfection for climbing plants. I'm either going to put cucumbers on it next spring, and I'll put pole beans on it in the fall. But this is kind of what's going on. I'm really stoked to see how this all comes out. So I'll give you guys another update later on. My beautiful pothos at the top are doing great. They look gorgeous. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked my little tour, and hope to see you soon.